So for poles we have to cut it from this window toolbox here, and then choose which type of poles we want, and we can download the new pole, for example. So if we have nuts, we have bolt, we have a lot of type. For me, I have a problem with this bolt. Normally we have to drag it, but here doesn't work. So we have to drag it here, and it's all the thing. So don't isn't a problem. I can, for example, yes, there is a problem. I can, for example, sketch part. No, it doesn't work. I have to choose a bolt in coordinate array. I have to choose bolt in reference of the holes I decided it. So not problem. We can now go to gust. We can go to gusset. So gusset supporting face. So I can choose, for example, I can draw it if I click here. So I can define the tool, and I can define which type. So it's here, like that or like that. So like 50 millimeters. So I can choose thickness, position of thickness, and side, mid side, and here I can choose where is the position of this gusset, and then yes, I can delete. I did the okay, I can repeat it. So I can delete the blade, or do trim and extend, weldment, trim and extend, body to trim it. This, for example, wait, it doesn't work. Body, we have to modify the guest, not to trim and extend. I can enter here and modify. I can choose this face instead of here, but it doesn't work like that. I have to delete the plate, but okay, it's just for knowing how we can draw the gussets. So it's okay for bolts and holes and gussets. So okay, I can delete here. So in the next video we will see the drawing, how to put all this assembly in one drawing. So to the next video.